Your engine is controlled by a management computer. When the computer receives sensor input that is outside of the design parameters, it tries to make adjustments to keep the engine operating within specifications. If it can't, a trouble code is stored in the computer and the check engine light is illuminated. A flashing check engine light indicates a condition that could cause severe damage. You should not drive at highway speeds or tow a trailer or haul anything heavy. Take your vehicle into your service center as soon as possible. A steady check engine light is not urgent. You have a few days in which to get to your service center for diagnosis. There are devices and techniques for resetting your check engine light yourself. However, they do nothing to fix the underlying problem that caused the light to come on in the first place. And some methods for turning off the check engine light will actually erase important data the engine management computer needs to operate efficiently. Have your vehicle inspected by a qualified service technician when your check engine light is illuminated. They can properly diagnose the cause of the fault and make the necessary repairs to keep you safely and economically on the road. The technician will connect your vehicle to a powerful diagnostic tool that will read the trouble codes stored in your engine management computer. These codes provide clues for which systems are not operating within design parameters. This is the start of a diagnostic process combining skill, experience, and diagnostic technology and tools to get to the root of the problem and make a proper repair. A check engine light should be taken seriously. Maybe it's just a small problem that can be easily corrected. Sometimes it's an early warning signal that expensive damage is coming. Either way, we can help.